Los Angeles, the city of angels, is facing its worst nightmare. Wildfires are raging across the city, leaving destruction and devastation in their wake. In this video, we'll take you on a drone's eye view of the devastation, showing you the impact of the fires on Los Angeles and its people. The fires have been burning for days, fueled by strong winds and dry conditions. Entire neighborhoods have been reduced to ashes, and thousands of people have been forced to evacuate their homes. The scale of the destruction is heartbreaking. Homes, businesses, and entire communities have been lost in the fires. The fires have also had a devastating impact on the environment. Air quality has plummeted, and the city's iconic landmarks have been shrouded in smoke. But amidst the destruction, there are stories of hope and resilience. Meet some of the people who have been affected by the fires, and hear their stories of survival and courage. The people of Los Angeles are strong and resilient, but they need our help. If you'd like to support the relief efforts, please consider donating to the LA Fire Relief Fund. Together we can help rebuild and recover from this devastating disaster.